Children, now we will be discussing about different blocks in the periodic table characteristic wise. That means first we will discuss about the characteristics of S block. Now, what is the main characteristic of S block? Children, you know, after we have discussed all the characteristics of S block, I will give you what is your classwork today will be the characteristics of S, P, D and F block in points. Please copy them in your exercise books and do not submit it to me, because you are just copying it. Do not submit it to me, just copy them in your exercise books, because these questions from here will come as write down 3 characteristics of S block. Or if you are getting an MCQ question paper, the first characteristic of S block which shows its electronic configuration is dash, and you may get 4 electronic configuration. Okay, so characteristics of S, P, D, F block is important. So we start with S block. What is the general characteristics of S block? The first general characteristic of S block is its electronic configuration. General electronic configuration of S block, which is NS2 or NS1. We generally write it as NS1 to 2. NS1 to 2. Okay, that is the general electronic configuration of S block. And what are the other properties? They have very low ionization enthalpy, obviously, because they can lose just 1 electron and become extra stable. So they have very low ionization enthalpies. Their metallic character is very strong because they always want to lose an electron. Third, they are strongly reactive because they are always wanting to lose an electron, and they are predominantly form ionic compounds. So what are the characteristics? First, general electronic configuration is NS1 or NS2. They have very low ionization enthalpies because they just have to lose 1 or 2 electrons and become extra stable. Their metallic character is very high because they can either lose 1 electron or 2 electron. Their reactivity is very high because they have to lose 1 or 2 electron and become stable. They form predominantly electrovalent or ionic compound. What are the 2 groups in S block elements? Group 1, group 2, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals.